Hi everyone, I've got a Seat Ibiza here. It's just in for the wipers basically. I'm just going to show you how it's done. To do it it's quite simple, but before I do it, this is the part number that you need for the wipers, and these are the wipers that we need to replace. We'll show you how it's done. All you've got to do is you lift the wipers up just a slight little bit, push this button in, pull the wipers out gently. That's out. Drop the wipers down slowly. Get the new ones, that's the long one there, and it's just a straight slot again. Slot the wipers in. There we go, that's slot in now. That's all you got. You want to take them out, just pull them out, gently pull them out, job done. Push them back in, job done as well. You do the same thing on the other side as well. That's quite a simple procedure on that one as well. So any more information, please do let me know. We'll try helping you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.